We lost the monster trucks?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Where they at?
We gotta find them.
Yeah.
How do we find them? Do we use a shovel? Oh, there's that rake over there. Right behind you.
What is that on? That must be a
Oh.
monster truck.
It's a monster truck heart? Cool. The rake. I think the rake will work. Yep. Let's see. Who do we find first? Who is it gonna be first? Who is it? Max D! Max D comes out of the heart pool. Who we got? Who we got? Who we got? Who we got? Who we saving? Mega Wreck! Oh, you gotta feel around with that brake. I see a tire. Who is it? Who is it? Shaker. You see another one? No? Just feel around. Oh, there's one. Who is it? El Toro!
There must be more.
Yep. I'm thinking there is. Maybe feel further out. Or you could go in there with your feet and feel around. Go in there with your feet. Just don't jump. You might land on one of them. Gently feel around, because you might step on them. A rock, maybe? We got 2 more guys in there. Come on, step around in there. Don't jump in, just step around. Walk around in there. It's not that deep. He's not gonna be that deep, buddy. I think they're over here. I think they're over here. They're over here. Feel around right there. Told you. Bigfoot? Okay, who's left? Who's left? It's Demo Derby. Demo Derby needs help. Where's he at? Oh, you found him.
Why is it on there?
You put him up there. Oh, there's a line of monster trucks again.
You want to try this side?
Demo Derby's going around the track. Oh. I need someone to launch me in. Launch them all in like that. Launch them into the heart pool.
Maybe I can't jump in.
Just don't go in. You can go in, but don't jump in, buddy. You're gonna land on one of them and hurt your foot. Oh, who's that? Mega Rex got saved. Ooh, who's coming next? Who's coming next? Max D? Come on, Max D. Who's gonna be? I don't think there's anyone there. Bigfoot and Demo Derby. El Toro. El Toro and Shaker? Max D's the only one left. Where's he at?
In the way.
No, he's in the heart. I guess we're gonna have to break the dam to find him. Oh, there it goes the dam. Break it more. Oh, he's going fast now. You want the shovel? Is that Papa? I think it's Papa yelling at you.
Hey guys!
Maybe not. Oh, where's Max D? There he is, I see his tires. Bigfoot's gonna get you. Bigfoot's coming around. too fast. There's trucks in the way.
Doodle.
Jump into the pool. Oh, that wasn't a good jump.
It was though.
That was a good jump.
That was.
Oh, that was really good, Max D.
Right on the side.
Oh,
Just see that?
that was awesome.
I'm trying to use the bucket now.
What are you doing with the bucket?
And it doesn't remember the bucket.
Oh, okay.